Is your air conditioner making strange noises? Those unusual sounds could be warning you that something isn't right. Banging, buzzing, clicking, grinding, rattling, or squealing noises can all indicate different problems within your HVAC system. Ignoring these sounds can lead to reduced performance, higher energy costs, and more expensive repairs if the issue gets worse. That's why homeowners throughout Paoli, Pennsylvania, trust PJ Mac HVAC air duct cleaning for professional AC noise diagnosis services. Our experienced technicians perform a complete inspection to identify the exact source of the unusual noise. We carefully inspect moving parts, electrical components, airflow, refrigerant systems, and mechanical connections to accurately diagnose the problem. Whether the issue involves a loose part, worn motor, failing compressor, damaged fan, or another component, we provide the appropriate repair solution. After the repair is complete, we thoroughly test your system to ensure quiet operation, reliable performance, and efficient cooling. A properly functioning air conditioner should operate smoothly and quietly while keeping your home comfortable. At PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, we're committed to honest recommendations, expert workmanship, and dependable HVAC solutions you can trust. Why is my air conditioner making unusual noises? Unusual AC noises may be caused by loose components, worn bearings, damaged fan blades, electrical issues, refrigerant problems, or failing mechanical parts. What types of AC noises should I be concerned about? Grinding, banging, squealing, rattling, buzzing, clicking, humming, and hissing sounds can all indicate potential HVAC problems that require professional attention. What does a banging noise from my AC mean? A banging sound may indicate loose or broken internal components, a failing compressor, or damaged fan parts. Where is PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 30 South Valley Road number 307 Paoli, Pennsylvania 19301. Our phone number is 610-424-6690. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-paoli/.